Hello, welcome back to
Risk.
M365
It's top of mind for
Risk.
financial services
It's
leaders,
top of mind for financial
including the risk
services
around
leaders,
managing data,
including the risk
especially
around
with
managing
GDPR
data,
impacting
especially
anyone with European
GDPR
employees,
impacting
partners,
anyone
or
with
customers.
European employees, partners, or
With most
customers.
regulations,
With
creation of
most
the policies
regulations,
isn't the
creation of
challenge.
the policies isn't the
41%
challenge.
of executives
41%
said that
of
enforcing
executives
information
said that
governance
enforcing
policies once
information
created
governance
was their
policies
biggest issue.
once created was their biggest
Today,
issue.
you may just keep
Today,
all of your
you may
data,
just
just
keep
in case
all
you
of your
face an
data
incident.
just in case you face
Or
an
you may
incident.
rely on a data
Or
governance
you may
solution
rely on
that
a data
requires you to
governance
copy data
solution
to a
that
third-party
requires you to
archiving
copy
service.
data to a third-party archiving
But having a
service.
separate
But
copy of
having a
data
separate copy of
increases
data
costs,
increases costs,
and it increases risk. You only capture data at a point in time. Plus, content can be compromised moving from one environment to another.
The financial
services sector needs a better solution that helps them keep the data they need for the right amount of time.
One that helps them meet the requirements
of the regulatory bodies.
Microsoft 365.
Microsoft 365, which brings together Office 365, Windows 10, and Enterprise Mobility and Security, simplifies data governance. It delivers automatic classification of data. There are over 80 sensitive built-in content types. It provides intelligent policies with recommendations based on machine learning. There are built-in policies that help you comply with important regulations. By way of example, on data retention. It helps you take action, preserve high-value data in place, and purge what's redundant, trivial, or obsolete. Knowing the data you have and where it is can help maximize your security and compliance. Data governance makes it easy to confidently keep what's relevant and purge what's obsolete. You get recommendations relative to the information in your tenant and financial regulations that Office 365 detects you have not yet deployed. So you can create policies that keep high-value data compliant and secure. Or create fully customized retention policies to proactively decide how highly sensitive financial data is handled. We can classify and label your data and then set protection and retention policies to make sure it is handled according to the sensitivity. These policies can support your compliance with regulations around data privacy, like GDPR, or even regulations that address retention policies, like SEC Rule 17a-4, and under European Directive MiFID II. When you create a new policy, you can configure what information to retain from over 80 built-in content types. For example, this option helps detect the presence of financial information in the United States. Because broker-dealers are required to keep ledgers of client transactions for 6 years and other data for 3, easily maintaining records for different periods of time is essential. You can customize each workload with a different policy, or enforce different policies for different users, like wealth managers, branch employees, or executives, or sites or accounts. After a preservation policy is turned on, it cannot be turned off or made less restrictive. Preservation lock encrypts the data and provides data immutability for those operating under SEC Rule 17a-4. With just a few clicks, data governance can help reduce compliance risk for financial services by automating policies for retention,